Hi, I'm Ray and this is my polytunnel. Today, Sunday, day off, raining, typical. Anyway, at least we're in the tunnel, we're going to get some jobs done. We've got lots to do, we've got the vines to sort out, tomatoes to sort out, we've got de-weed, we're going to put up the broad beans, we're going to see if we've got any onions and garlic. So let me show you what we're going to do. Coming out. The roots on them, pretty big root, and the old broad beans, and as you can see they sent out quite a few different shoots in the end. There's not really any beans left to harvest, so we're just going to put them in the compost bin. Looks like some of these have been eaten, so we might still have our critters around. So in this bed we have our garlics, and our onions. Unfortunately, they all went a bit wrong and all went to seed. So maybe we can save some of this. And look at the pretty seed balls that the onions produce. I think these were snowball onions, but they're not really that great. Then they've been stressed in this tunnel, so it might not have been the best idea to have done them in the tunnel. As it's been extremely hot in here, and it's also been, so that's a better onion. Yeah, snowball, this is one's a daughter planted. So we're having a clear out, putting it all out, everything's coming out. See, I don't know if we can do much with these. I'll save them. We'll have a look at the end, see if we can do anything with them. Also in this bed is some garlic. It might be okay. We'll put them all aside and we'll see what we got. So there's lots of weed. I think this must be the garlic on this side. The garlic hasn't really. There's some garlic. That's not looking too bad. It's looking brown now, so that's not looking bad at all. I should have a look out. This is some white garlic. Oh, that's okay. So we're getting a bit of a harvest going on here. So, looking through the weeds, I can see a sign now saying raise garlic. So this is the garlic that I grew last year, and I replanted it in the polytunnel this year. So it's actually looking alright. Look at this. That's okay. Seeing as it's suffered not a lot of water, and good roots on it. Not a lot of water, and it's also had to battle with a lot of the weeds in the tunnel, such as that. So I think pretty well, pretty good job. And here's one that's already split. Have a look at that. It's not growing a bulb, it's all split into pieces. It's quite interesting. That's the red germador. Well, we're getting this all cleared out now. And we're going to put some pumpkins in the polytunnel. We haven't got a great deal of time nowadays, so something that will look after itself will be a real bonus. So on the back there, a couple of good sized onions. If we follow the stalks up, we can see they're just flowering. They're so pretty. That onion looks pretty good, I'd have to say. So the forecasted rain has just started to come in now, so I'm just knocking up a temporary onion drying rack, just using these shelves with a couple of pallets, and we've got our onions and our garlics. And I'm just going to stick these through the holes, removing the seed heads. And we're just going to put them in here just to store for a few days. And let them dry out a bit. Just lets all the water run out from the leaves. and drain downwards. And this is the garlic. It's doing quite good. So we'll do a row of garlic. And we'll just let them out to dry. So I'm just going to continue this with the bulbs that we've harvested. But I'm really quite pleased with what we've got so far. The ones that have gone to seed I should take home and we shall eat those. Put those down there. The ones that haven't seeded we shall store. These are the ones just in the polytunnel. So they've done alright. Quite pleased. Good job to do when the weather's wet outside. Toddlers. Well, there's a carrot for dinner anyway. We've got a few carrots for our dinner. Well, the rain is certainly coming down now, so I'm going to get back to the car.